So welcome. So I will presenting the activity 5 student directory. So here and good day Mom J. So here let's start. Let's view the here as you can see we have here our container and the student form and the coming student list. So let's proceed. So our components, so we have here registration form, student list, student profile. Up. Okay, so here let's proceed to the first. So registration form. So since we use states from the app just GSX here, cons student and set students use state. It we have use state here as array. Then the add student function add student and wait. Let's go here. So here we have here our const, which is the name, age, course, and the year. So here we have here our if since we have the for. So once we add, we have here ID, name, age, course, year. So here it will output. So here the form type. So basically, this is the form being given here. So the user can input. So here input for the student name and the value name on change set name target value. As for the the age, we have here number student age value age on change so set age number that target. So it's different here since we use number. Next we have here our course, similar to our name. So course text course value course and on change set course dot target dot value similar to name. So student name. So here next um stud student years. So we have here type number similar to student age placeholder year value year, but here in the on change it's different since we are just incrementing. Or so we have here set year parse int parse int at target that value or none. So after that we have here button form, then export as always. Next we have here student counter. So once the total student being added, so let's try this on. Here it will count the total students. So as you can see here, it will here in the header part. So it will uh, it will count the total. So we have your students that length or how many students being created in the student directory. Student list here. So we have been importing the student profile here. Student profile here. Return, then class name is proof. So we have here the tree, which is here. So it is the name, age, course, year, and we will delete. This is the unclick button delete. So in here we have chosen the right side, so div class name, right? Then input the output the students. Then it delete students if ever. So let's try to example. So let's try to delete. So it will delete once the user tries to click the delete button here. It will get the ID, which it increments here in the student. So student length is equal to 0. Return if no registered student. So if there is no registered student, so it will not there will be no box or container there here. So here students.map student profile. So it bases here to to output the student I so what's the student directory I users inputted in the student directory. So basically the student profile is the one to being imported by the student. The student list is the one who import the student profile info. So here let's proceed here. So I'm choosing div since I wanted the student directory to be left side, or the contents rather. Then the right side is the student list, or the information being inputted by the user. So the output rather. So we have here body, font, font family, Arial, sans serif, background, color, padding, and margin in order to consider the header. Here, as you can see, display flex, space between. So it has space between, align center, margin button. So margin 0 for the header 1 and header 3. H1 here is the student directory, and the H3 is the student total student. So for the container, so we have here 900 px in order to um in order to para makasya tong dalawang to. So in order to combine the student input and the student output. So the user's input and output. So we have here margin, width 900x, margin auto, text align center, background as usual. In order to see this, a padding to 20px, border radius 10px, the shadow, forms is here, margin 20px, 0, content, display flex, up 20px, and the align flex start, align items. Then here we have here left, which is the student directory or the content in left. or the input, and my right. So here the output of the user. So flex one, both of the input, the here, the box here. We have with 80% to to be to combine these both of these. Then margin 6.0, background color white, border here in order to see from the user. So border radius, input placeholder here to see the student name A, student age, course year, button here, padding, margin top, background color, border none, border radius 5px, cursor point, font weight, and it has a hover. S proof is, I mean, the student profile here. So I have here a border and the padding, margin, the border radius, and 8px, and the background, and the color white, and this. The color of the H1, H2, H3 being assigned. And that's it. Thank you.